So I'm not the greatest graphic designer. When it comes to like my technical ability with photos, videos, video editing, photo editing, editing in general, graphic design, I want to say is at the end. I have had to do so much work to try to catch that up to the rest of my abilities. I am a lot better of a graphic designer than I was years past. Has been being able to kind of work with templates, because one of the services that I use and I recommend to people is called Motion Array. If you don't know what Motion Array already is basically just like a subscription service, has all these assets, whatever they might be, whatever you might need when it comes to editing, all there on the website for you to access, for you to download. The other side, another big company you probably have already heard is Artlist. That's another company. But the thing with Motion Array is it's kind of expensive. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is kind of expensive. For the yearly subscription, I'm paying over $250, around that price. If it's out of your budget, then you kind of have to look elsewhere. Hopefully by the end of this video, this is one place where you could invest some money in and add assets to your arsenal. So this company called Easy Edit Pro hit me up and asked me to review their cinematic titles for Premiere Pro pack. Unbiased review. They're not gonna see this before I post it. Y'all are gonna see it. I would never make a video on a product if it doesn't serve a purpose for you guys. That's what I vow. It doesn't matter how much they talking about money. Okay, maybe they talking serious bread, you know. Not kidding. And hopefully by the end of it, we like it. I'm going straight into it. I have not even opened it yet. You're gonna see my honest reaction when I first open it and I'm first kind of playing around with it all. There's also one really exciting thing. So I get to do a giveaway to one subscriber, to one of you guys. You guys have a chance to win any project on their website that you might be interested in for free. You never know. If you just need some more assets, if you're looking for some more assets, it's free. So I get to give you guys something, like something physical and something real, right? So by the end of this video, I'm going to touch on what we are going to do, what you have to do to enter the giveaway. Hopefully you're the one to win it, but stay tuned to the end of this video. So yeah, cool. I want to talk pricing because one of my biggest arguments of why kind of Motion Array sometimes is not for everyone is because of the price point. This specific pack that I'm going to be reviewing called the Cinematic Titles Pack. It's on their website, but it's currently going for a regular license, which is all you're going to need. If you're using it for YouTube, your YouTube channel and stuff like that, pretty much a regular license is all you need. And for a one-time purchase, they are charging $29. That is a fair price for one time. It's not subscription based. It's just you buy it now, it's yours, basically. So that's what you want to hear, right? No subscriptions, no nothing. It's a $29 or $30 for a lifetime kind of thing. Also, this pack is said to include not just regular titles. There's supposed to be full end screen titles, texture end titles, VHS transitions, light leaks, animated textures, light leak overlays, film burns, all that. For $30, that's a good deal. With Easy Edit Pro, research their mission, and their mission is just to make it easier on us as editors, as creators, to be able to edit, making the editing process kind of easier and more efficient. Let's jump straight into Premiere now, but currently for the price point, thumbs up in my opinion. That is a great place to be. If you were to buy like other packs, you would notice that they're just morgue files that are added to your essential graphics panels. I have some already that I purchased in the past. You kind of just import them in the essential graphics panel. For Easy Edit's kind of templates, they have an extension that they have you download, and I did all that before I started this. Some plugins do have their own extension. It just helps it run smoothly. So you go to Window and then you find an extension. It's called Easy Edit Viewer. That's where you're going to find all of these kind of assets that you purchased. This is the cinematic titles. So it has multiple folders like it said in the beginning. These titles, all these folders for texture titles, basic titles, full screen titles, texture end titles, and the basic end kind of credits and stuff like that. I don't see any repeats, which honestly, like first glance, is amazing. They give you like a good amount of transitions. It's not just an add-on, like they're valuable like assets. And then you have the animated textures, animated markers. I missed this one. I didn't even know they gave you animated markers, but that's cool. That's cool to have. To be honest, I'm always skeptical when it comes to like there's an extra extension that needs to be be downloaded because I never know how well Premiere Pro is going to react to that. But it's seeming like very smooth and everything is all in one place. This is the first glance. This is dope, and you do get a lot of stuff like they said in the description, which sometimes companies don't live up to it. You know what I mean? But let's just start with the texture titles. Let's just do a basic like drag and drop with one of these. All right, cool. So from first kind of glance to it, this is the title. Once it is dropped, and now you have the ability in the essential graphics to edit this whole thing. Text configuration, I'm guessing this is where you can change all the text. So yeah, so every single one of these texts can be changed. Sweet. So you have full customizability for everything in this title that you see. Then the main configuration. Oh, dope. So you can turn on and turn off the effects to this. Can I turn off the matte? You could go to control effects and then just make it like screen. That can work sometimes. You want this like glowy effect, but you lose a lot of the detail. So I'm guessing it might be right here in this opacity BG. Let's try to lower that. Oh yeah, you can get rid of it completely. Oh, dope. I can just completely turn everything off. You have so much control, which I like, and this is just the first one that we've tried. These are never going to be exactly perfect for what you need in a video edit. You're always going to have to change them up to fit your needs, to fit your style, to fit whatever your project entails, right? The fact that there's so much control on everything, like that's something that's helped me so much to improve on my graphic work. Stuff is kind of put together for a starting point for you that a graphic designer put them on a specific spot. Yes, some might look basic, but certain text works together, the certain sizing of text works together that it looks great for a starting point. So the full text in the teaser video, they were saying it's a great thing to like highlight specific points in your video. I wanna just try it out. They're less like titles, but more like captions. Yeah, they're just cool animated captions. I want to consider these like titles. They specifically said if you want to emphasize a point in your video, these are great for that, the full screen titles. So yeah, that's sick. Now I want to see these transitions and see if they are legit. I love me a good film burn, and I use a lot of film burns. So let's just try it on this clip, see what it looks like. You're gonna have to play around with it for sure and find like a good starting point. So yeah, that's cool. I like them. I like them a lot. I would actually use these in videos when I'm going to use them. I have this. They gave me this. So I have this. This is like my asset now. And then the animated markers, I want to just see these real quick. For emphasis on certain things, just a drag and drop. You saw how easy that was to just click on it and it's already on my timeline. Yeah, nah, these are high quality. It's not even just like an add-on, like a teaser type of additional assets to it. Nah, these are legit, and they give you a good amount. That's really cool. Some additional features that you get if you purchase it just one time, in the future you'll be given all these free updates with new templates and categories in the future. That's cool. So it's always going to keep updating, and you never know, there'll be even more templates added into that one kind of asset that you purchased just one time. I got it for Premiere Pro. They sent it to me for Premiere Pro, but it's also available in DaVinci Resolve and also After Effects. My final thoughts on this product. Graphics design is almost a science. It came last in my kind of repertoire when it comes to learning this editing thing, right? Easy Edit as a company is just trying to, really they're trying to fill that void, to give you assets, to give you good amount of them, but also to make it accessible to a lot more people, to beginners, from beginners to all the way to advanced kind of editors that are just want to add stuff to their locker. Pretty affordable compared to their competitors, or compared to a competitor like Motion Array or Artlist. Okay, so it's good. It's good. It's really good. You saw my first reactions to it. The first list, the price point. It was $30 for this cinematic titles pack. You cannot beat that. Once. It's not a subscription-based service. You pay $30 for the regular license. 2, it's like an extension to your Premiere Pro, and it ran very smoothly. That's a plus. That's a big plus, because sometimes Premiere Pro already has so many problems that adding on a different extension could just never work or it's going to give you a headache. So that's a great plus too. 3, they give you so much control and so much customization options, which is exactly what you're looking for, especially when it comes to graphic templates. 4, the most more of the basic level, they give you a good amount of stuff. They gave you all the other ones like film grain, film transitions, overlay, VHS overlays, and it doesn't just feel like, oh, a bonus, but this is really included in this pack. No, it feels like almost complete template pack that you can utilize all the assets that are put into there, which is a huge thing in my opinion. For the giveaway, it could be this template pack that you see in this video, the cinematic titles pack. It could also be any pack that's on their website that you want to have, that you want to add to your editing assets, right? To enter into this giveaway, if you could just please, of course, be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and let's make it fun. Comment below on this video your favorite fruit. Let me know what your favorite fruit is. I'll give at least a week for everyone to see this video to enter down below. That is so cool that I'm able to give you guys something physical for the first time on this channel. I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay safe, always do what you love, and peace. I will catch y'all in the next video.